be very clear. Most people are confused. They think to be a Hindu, you must be a vegetarian. Is there an imposition like that? Is there an injunction? You must be a vegetarian to be Hindu? No. The only mention in the scripture of authority in the Vedas regarding what you eat, do not eat, is this. Simply says, revere all life, respect all life, including the plant life. They are alive too. The only mention about giving reverence to life is simply saying, revere all life, plant life as well. This is honesty, Vedas. But you may be surprised to know 60% of Hindus in India, 60% of Hindus in India eat fish, meat, seafood or eggs. 60 to 70%. So you say all of you are not Hindus, you are finished. There's no Hinduism left then. So don't impose. Hinduism is not a vegetarian menu. But it still recognizes that being vegetarian is good. Well, you know why? He says, look, if you want to, look, all of us have to live on other living things. I eat plants, they're living, I'm eating them. I can't help myself, I'll die. So we live on other living things, but we say, okay, rather than live on very, lives that are very close to us, like animal life, cows and all these, animals are very, almost human. Rather than kill them and eat them, let's live on the least evolved plant life. We're still eating life, but still plant life is less evolved. So we say, let's live on the least evolved thing rather than the most evolved thing. That's why we avoid. That's one reason. The second reason is this. In reality, we know nowadays they are finding out that vegetarian diet is good for your health. This is the second reason. The third reason why we should encourage vegetarianism is this. Ecological reasons. Because you have plants that will be eaten by animals and then human beings eat animals, this is creating greenhouse effect. This is creating problem. So ecological reason also why you should become vegetarian. This is serious science. Then there's a fourth reason. That's the most important reason I like. It says, look, have you seen the way the animals are treated before they're murdered and butchered? Horrendously, treated horrendously. Look at any of the factory farming programs. You can't eat meat after you've seen that. You say cruelty to animals is the reason why I want to become vegetarian. And do you know why I go to a lot of English girls' schools? English girls, they're not boys. Boys are mature. They eat anything that comes around. Girls are sweeties. Many English girls have become vegetarian. And ask them, why? You are supposed to be Hindu, why are you vegetarian? They said, because we don't like the idea of cruelty to animals. So we told the mommy, for us, we are vegetarian. You eat corn, but not meat. So this is the real reason to be vegetarian. You feel for the animals. You don't want to butcher them and eat them. This is the best way of being vegetarian. Not because Hinduism says, okay, rubber stamp, Hindu, must eat. Don't do that. We are not prescriptive like that. We allow you to think for yourself and decide. So if you feel uncomfortable with this idea of eating meat, stop it straight away. Then you are a natural Hindu and a natural vegetarian. No imposition by your religion.
Free e-learning course in Hinduism. To register, please visit www.hindu-academy.com.
Talks on Hinduism. Sponsored by People Care. Encouraging caring for the elderly in their own homes. For more information, please visit peoplecare.com.